Hello everyone, my name is Gerardo Basilio and this is my presentation. So today we're going to be working with the crane. Uh, so I wanted to create a crane system. I obviously made a little difference from the previous version. I There was just a plane on the very bottom and uh, the the crane look is just the same. It's just this is what changed most a lot, and as well as the cable itself. Um, and I made it more interactive with the button sequence when you interact with it in the real world. There is no animation. This is just all code for here, and this is all just code allowing it for it to work. So uh, there is not a single animation for this to to work. So back to the video. Here in this video, I wanted to show y'all how the crane works and how it can be utilized in the world, real world. Uh, right now, I just have this just as an item that can be just when it moves, it just goes with the crane with the movement. But in my final presentation, I will have it to where it can pick up objects and move it. So, in there, I will probably have it more in detail to and have more movement with no animation, of course, with the claws coming in and closing. So the way I'm probably going to be doing that is having its current location with the set relative location and changing its position towards it. So uh, I will do some experimentation with that and see how that goes along with that, as well as the crane itself. So let's start the video here. As you can see, the crane can move. Uh, I'm not interacting with the crane itself, but the button. And this is the button that I can interact with it. As you can see, the crane moved, and it moved with the crane. Um, the crane itself went up and came around. Like I said, this is no animation. This is just purely code that just changed the locations of it. I'll go again to show you once more so there's no confusion. So if I press it, activates again, the crane moves and it goes up. So I will implementing the holding of the block onto the crane so that way the crane itself can essentially pick it up and move it and use that as in my later presentations. And that'll be up today. This is Gerardo Rosalio with my presentation, and thank you for coming to see this video.